Going back to this concept is to me, where we're at the moment is we pay homage, we pay respect to the past, and I can't help but, you know, you think of Dr. Bissell and the things that happened in his life and what he did to evolve and to grow and to become who and what he was, because there's no question as we look at his past, he was headed in one direction and something happened, some event took place, I don't know exactly what, but you know, he moved off into another direction and changed his life. And each of us at any moment of time has that opportunity. And when we find ourselves having a great deal of difficulty with either the world or the world as we see it, people around us, it's our moment to evolve in the change and to understand that we do control our world. We have a choice in any moment in time to look at our world and say, this is good, instead of saying this is a problem where I can't deal with this or it's beyond me. And especially today, right now, you know, and as I say these things, something comes to my mind. One of the things that I wanted to touch on is we work, each of us in our own way works, I think, very, very hard. And if you didn't, you wouldn't be sitting here this morning. We work very hard to become better, become more of that God essence that is within each of us, and not limiting to a religion. We do that. And as I say that, and I'm reminded, and I think I work 24/7 at it. I really do. You know, and I got that I don't succeed. And we always have reminders in our life. You know, my beloved son, who was chosen to sit all the way back there this morning, says to me a week or so ago, he says, do you believe that stuff you say on Sunday? Okay. And I said with every fiber of my being, man, you know, I do. He says, well, you ought to practice it more often. Okay, so here we are, right? So if you want to get dragged down to reality to see how you're doing, right? We always have that, but regardless of what some people's viewpoints are, we must continue on, and we do the best that we can to clear our mentality and to become who and what we're here about. And we are, each of us, part of the plan, and we each of us have something wonderful to contribute. And you know, I can't tell you what it is that you have to contribute, but I know you have it there to contribute. And I just, you know, for Easter here, it is our chance to renew and to revive ourselves, to understand where we're headed here, what we're trying to do with ourselves, how far we're trying to grow, and in that concept, we're limitless. There is no end to our growth. It continues on now, and it continues on each day, but just at this moment, we just have that chance to renew that thought, and if anybody has any thought within them that somehow they're less than what they ought to be, or, you know, aren't doing the things they ought to, you're not. You're doing exactly what you should be doing, and you're going through whatever you need to go through right at this moment to get to the next level, you know, and you are going to crack through whatever that barrier is that you see, or that obstacle, if you see one, and you're going to get to the next level. And you're going to continue to expand and grow and contribute wonderful things here to the planet. So, you know, for Easter, I say Happy Easter, and thank you so much for coming this morning and being part of this group, and thank you so much for the efforts you contribute every day of your life, every single day that you exist here on the planet, all the things that you do, morning, noon, and night, the people that you meet. It's so, you know, we don't understand the effect that we have on people out there. I had this wonderful opportunity a week or so ago. Matt and I go to this little Jewish place that has wonderful falafels and their pita sandwiches or whatever. But this gentleman there, and they're conservative, got the little thing on, but it's a neat little place. And the gentleman, as I came through the door the other day, he said, you know what? He said, I don't care if you ever buy anything here, just keep stopping by. He said, you come in and you smile, and he says, I'm happy to see you, and you make me happy, and you make my whole day. Just come in and keep smiling. So, you know, you don't know the effect that you have on people out there. And we just go on in our everyday. So, you know, every day go out there, keep doing the things that you're doing, encounter the people that you encounter, keep smiling and keep bringing the highest level of your consciousness that you can, because it does rub off. Happy Easter. Thank you. You want to lead us out of here?